Hi friends, in this video I am going to show to you how to enable BitLocker PIN on your laptop. Generally the purpose of BitLocker PIN is in order to protect your data. Suppose if your laptop has been stolen by somebody else, the BitLocker PIN will prevent them to access your data. So that's why majority of the organizations has preferred to enable the BitLocker PIN for their client laptops. So how we are going to enable the BitLocker PIN? We are going to see here, and in search bar just type this PC, just click on this PC, and here are you able to see this C drive? Just right click on C drive, just click on turn on BitLocker. Then the BitLocker encryption process has been initiated, and here you just need to save the recovery key. The purpose of recovery key is in future if you forget the BitLocker PIN, in order to log on into your laptop, it will ask you to enter the recovery key. So by providing the recovery key, you will be able to log on into the mission. Then after that, you can change your BitLocker PIN. But if you don't have the recovery key and if you forget the BitLocker PIN, that will be quite difficult for you in order to log on into mission. At that time, you need to format your laptop. Okay, make sure your recovery key needs to be save in some safe place where you have the ability to access at any point of time. And here there are different options which has been provided here. If you have Microsoft account, you can save the recovery key on your Microsoft account. Otherwise, if you want to save as a file, here you can save as a file. And if you want to print the recovery key as well, yes, you can be able to print the recovery key. Right now I am going to save the recovery key. Just click on to save a file, and I am going to save on the desktop. Just click on desktop, BitLocker recovery key. Just click on save here, and just a minute, I am going to take the photo as well, because of in case in future if I forget, that will be reference for me. And just click on save. This location can't be saved. Choose a different location. Okay, no worries. I'm going to select the documents. Yes, no. I'm going to save in the doc downloads. Just save. No, your recovery key can't be saved to an encrypted drive. Okay, choose a different location. Otherwise, simply what I will do means if you have any kind of pen drive or any external device, you can save a file into that pen drive, means any other drive. Because if I save the file in the same drive which I am going to encrypt, that will be complicated. So that's why it is asking you to save the file in any other external drive. Right now, as I don't have any other external drive with me, so that's why I'm going to print the recovery key. So here I'm going to select Microsoft PDF to print. Yes, print BitLocker recovery key. Okay, save. So where it has been saved, just type Windows C, then type downloads, no, documents, yes, BitLocker recovery key. By using the Microsoft Edge browser, just open it, and this is the BitLocker recovery key. Here you need to save somewhere. In order to access in future, it is for future reference. You just need to save this file, or you just need to save this print somewhere. Okay, and just minimize it and close it. Yes, next, activate BitLocker, activate. So it will take some time. The BitLocker will be activated. Here the lock symbol is there now. So then next time onwards, manage BitLocker PIN. Okay, here earlier what the option we have, turn on BitLocker. Right now what the option we have, turn off BitLocker. Okay, this is the way we can enable the BitLocker for the C drive, means that is nothing but your laptop. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed this technical tip of video, and thank you for seeing my video.